Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Gate City Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gatecity.bank and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Gate City Bank. Now you can directly log into your account by typing in your user ID and the password directly in the home page. If you don't see the login section, just click on the login button at the top right corner. Now just go ahead and type in your user ID followed by your password. Then you can click on the go button and you will be logged into your account with Gate City Bank. In case you forgot your password or your user ID, you can simply click on Forgot Password or the Forgot User ID button alongside the login section, and you will be able to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Gate City Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.